Hi guys, how we doing? This is Tuesday, I can't remember what date it is, to be honest. Just a wee update I thought I would do. Here is the French beans that I transplanted, looking very healthy apart from that leaf. These are my cherry tomatoes, which I think is due to go out. My corn seems to be nice and thin. Doesn't seem to be doing anything since I put it into these big plastic cups. This is another cherry tomato. Over the back there is the Pak Choi. That's Alfie barking, please excuse that. I don't. Enough. But move. Parts of everything. And they look a bit leggy. These are my new Crimson Crush that I put in a week ago, 10 days ago. They're coming up okay. They're looking a lot more healthier than the ones that are at the back there. I'll just hope that I've managed to save them. Some iceberg lettuce, more iceberg, but again looking very leggy. I had this light further down as well, and they still went leggy. This is Pak Choi that's went leggy. So these are going in the bin. The kale that I transplanted, hopefully will do okay. I think that can go outside now. Nothing in the ginger yet. I'm still waiting on that happening, but I think it's going to take a long time, so I'll keep it going. And here, remember I put in, what do you call them, primulas? They're actually starting to come up. I don't understand that. I mean, I was ready to throw this in the bin. Maybe it's because they're covered, I don't know. Anyway, that's what's happening in here. So, just another painting them up, man. What I've got here is the Pak Choi again, and I'm going to plant this outside. Straight in the dirt to see if that helps. And a can of beer, John Smith's. And this is for, we'll go out, the beer traps. Everything here seems to be growing okay. Sweet peas. We've had a lot of rain. Look at the potatoes compared to last week. I've actually got strawberries on my strawberry plants. Excuse the wind. And these are the other strawberries that I planted up. These are the babies of those ones. Everything here looks very good. Now I put these out here last week. Would have been Friday. And they're still okay. They're a bit droopy because of the wind, but they haven't died off. So I take it it's warm enough now. That's a couple of chard that I put in last week, and in that bucket I put in lettuce seeds. The peas have practically doubled in size since last time. Over in these buckets over here, I put lettuce. One side is cauliflower, one side is broccoli. So I've put them in there. And if we come along here, I've put the tansy flowers in to see if they will do their job. That heavy rain has really knocked everything down. Look at that. That's really done that in. I'll cut it down, put it in the compost heap. And if we come in here, what I've done is, excuse the shadow, I've put a row of Brussels sprouts down here because my Brussels sprouts decided to give up the ghost, and Swiss chard down here. And next what I'm going to do is take rid of these wee weeds. I'm just going to make a wee drill there. Actually, let's make it. Yeah, nah. This is cabbage. Obviously they need thinned out. I'll keep the, see that's the biggest one, so I'll get rid of these two. I need to get rid of quite a lot. I mean, it's really needing really thinned out. Maybe transplant or get rid of that one, I don't know. Anyway, I need to put these Pak Choi in. I wonder if I can get them up there to grab a stick. And just put a wee row in there just now, just to see if they'll actually, sorry, I thought you could see that, just to see if they'll actually come up. Ah, no, because that's behind that. I need somewhere where there's plenty of light. I'll put them in here. If they come up, I'll move them. So that's going to be Pak Choi. Oh, maybe too much there. I mean, I'm only going to need, you know, I've never grown them before, so I'm not going to need that many, but I can always transplant them if they come up. Okay, so that's that done. Sorry, I keep moving you out the road. These are lettuce that I put in. They seem to be coming up with all this rain as well. And I do water them, but let's see if we've got anything in here. And what I've been reading up is, if you've got any spent beer, I'm trying to do this one-handed, sorry. Nothing. Oh, no, there's a couple of worms. No slugs, but unless that used to be one there. Anyway, what I've learnt is you can actually put that in your compost heap, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to dump it down there. And then I'm going to refresh it with a can of beer. Okay, that'll do just now. Put the soil so that the slugs and all that can get back into it. This looks as if it's been overwatered. I mean, we did have a lot of rain, lots of rain in Scotland where I live. This one looks quite good. I believe these are broccoli. Now, over to the next one. These I brought out on Friday, and I seem to find that if I bring them out from the tunnel inside, the grow room inside, out to the tunnel, I really don't need to, what's the word, harden them off, because they just survive. Cauliflower's not doing too good. Maybe I have to, I don't know, are they wet? Yeah, there's plenty of moisture. Everything else looks okay. These look okay, they look okay. That lettuce I've been eating, I've just been picking off. I made chard soup with the big bit of chard that was left there. These are flowers, but look at the size of these beetroot. Now they do seem awful large for the actual size of root. So I'm thinking of pulling them. Have they gone over? Because the size of the roots, I don't know. I've got some more here and there's some more over there. So I think I will pull them. But again, let's check the slug trap. Oh, yeah, we've got some slugs in here. 1, 2, 3. So again, let's just pull this out in the corner. And refresh it. Keep the rest of that for that beer trap over there. Okay. So what do you think, guys? Should I pull the beetroot? Is it gone over? Is it done? And get the fresh stuff in instead? I think I will, actually. Onions are doing fine. Everything seems to be doing okay. These are onions, spare onions, that I haven't found a space for yet. This poor wee thing here is, which is a broccoli. I'm going to have to sow more broccoli because I want broccoli and cauliflower because I want them to be success in growing. So we'll get that done. Maybe over there get these flowers out, maybe put them in there and then transplant them when required. But that's where my carrots are going to be going. Let's have a look at these beetroot. I mean, look at the size of this plant here for that wee toty bit of beetroot. I think they're just not going to do anything. But that's not even, that's just... Aye, they're getting pulled. Okay, I'll do that just now and get them in the compost bin. Let's see the temperature of the compost bin. We've got a potato growing in my compost. It's down to red again. It's down to the red. I need to get more grass in it, heat it up. God, they flies, man. Right, beetroot's getting pulled and it's going in there. And we'll see how we go. Okay, I think that's us for today. I'll pull this off camera. There's no need for you to stand and watch this. Get you in some decent light. Nah, they're gone, they're done. Mind you, they were in there since last year, so I can't expect much more. Okay, right. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. For those who haven't subscribed, if you don't mind, subscribe. Leave me a like, and if you subscribe, leave me a comment and I'll reply to you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye now.